Another challenge of putting the simulator in the garage. You know, the garage door opener, well, he just got rid of it. I can pick that door up. But that thing right there, we need it flat. I mean, the floor goes up anyway, so I just took advantage of it, and I'm gonna bring the balls back. But it needed to be flat here, so I got my digital inclinometer there, and I got me a piece of masonite, and I got it under it, and I've used carpet pieces under that to build it up. Now, I tried the other night, and I just laid pieces of carpet under it, and well, they ended up getting folded and rolled, and well, it just made a mess. But putting it down this way with a slick board down, it should be able to get it flat. So we're gonna see how it flattens out once we do this, but I've took it and raised it up, and okay, but I've been building up layers of carpet and just get a smooth build back to here. And I took the level to it, and you see us reading 0.4 degrees right there now. So that's 0.4. And as we pull it back across, we can use this flat board to check it about everywhere. It's gonna be 0.4, 0.45. I mean, so it's close. So I'm gonna lay it back and see how it lays down, and we'll level it up, check what the level is once we get it down. So let's get it done. Let me just sit y'all down here, let y'all watch while I wrestle. Let me go wrestle this thing. Now, let's see how level we got. 0.3 high in the back. Front, 0.15. See what the back is right here. What we got? 0.10, that's pretty good. Okay guys, get you something flat under it. Don't try to roll carpets under it, it ain't gonna work, okay? But do it this way. This is gonna work a whole lot better. We got a good flat surface every direction now. We're gonna put the top on. All right, that's a lot better. It feels flat. We gotta check it, right? 0.1 is pretty darn close to flat, you know? I think I can live with that. And just so you'll have an idea, look how much I had to build it up back here at the back to get it to go level. That's what it took, but it's all flat and level now. So let's get it finished up and glue the carpets down. That's what's next. Gotta glue all my carpet down, get done.